Let's first review the divisibility rule for 3. Let's say you have the number 3, 1, 2. Sum the digits. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 goes into the sums. That means 3 goes into the number. You sum your digits, and if 3 goes into the sum, 3 divides into the number. Now, if you look at clue 1, which is x equal 5, that means you've got 10 to the 5th plus y. That's not going to work because 10 to the 5th is always going to be a number with zeros behind it. And y can be anything. For example, let's say you had 10 to the 5th is 100,000. And let's say you add 1 to it. Well, that gives me 100,001. If you sum your digits, you get 2. 3 will not go into 2, so 3 doesn't go into 100,001. But if I had 100,000 plus 2, sum the digits and you get 3. 3 goes into 3. The remainder would be 0. So it just depends on what this number is before we can figure out the remainder. So clue 1 doesn't work independently. Clue 2, y equals 2. Y equals 2, that means you've got 10 to the x plus 2. That is going to work because this number ends in zeros. That's going to be 1 with however many zeros behind it, but then you're going to add a 2 to it. So the last digit will be a 2. And if you sum up those numbers, you got all these zeros in here, but you got a 1 plus a 2 is 3. 3 will go into 3. So 3 will go into 10 to the x plus 2, and the remainder will be 0. So your answer is B.